everybody. My name's April, and this is FIY, Fashion It Yourself. There are two things that I love, the environment and crafting. Ooh, and puppies. I love puppies, but not my brother. Mom, I'm doing my show. Fine, I love my brother, except for when he's being annoying, which is often. Sorry. Today we're gonna take this old t-shirt and we're gonna turn it into a cool new bag. So the first thing you're gonna need is your old t-shirt. Yeah, Mom, we know. Take a t-shirt you're about to throw out, or one that's too big for you or whatever, and make sure you wash it first. The second thing we're gonna need is a pair of scissors. Yes, Mom. Make sure they're not too sharp, but they do have to be sharp enough to cut the fabric, so make sure they can do that. And finally, you're gonna need a marker and a ruler. Okay, let's get started. The first thing we're gonna need to do is make some straps for your bag. So step one is you're gonna fold your t-shirt in half. Step two is you're going to cut off the sleeves. You're gonna cut from here to here. And then step three is gonna be cutting off the neck. So you're gonna cut from here to here. Okay, the next thing we're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna cut the hem off of the bottom of the shirt. Okay, we've got a few more steps, but we're getting there. So the next part, we're gonna use our marker. So you're gonna wanna turn your shirt inside out so that you don't get marker on the pretty outside of your bag. So make sure that your shirt is all lined up again. You don't want the fabric folded under. So you're gonna make your line about 15 centimeters, or a hand and a half up from the bottom of the hem. Remember to use a ruler so you get a nice straight line. The next step is cutting the fringe. So your fringe, you're gonna want it to be 5 centimeters or 2 fingers in width. So you're gonna cut the fringe all the way across the shirt, like this. You're gonna take one strip from the top of the fringe and one from the bottom, and you're gonna tie them together. Make sure it's really tight. Even double knot it. And voila! You've got a beautiful bag.
Blah, 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 blah.
Yes, Mom, I'll make you one too. You know, you can even turn it inside out if you want more of a chill look. If you're looking for more ideas, check the links below this video. Bye!